मेरे वतन जैसी ना कोई ज़मीन ना कोई आसमान। A very good morning to everyone. Today isn't just another day, it's the day when the dreams of millions took flight. The day our tricolor first fluttered freely in the sky. On this proud occasion of India's 79th Independence Day, I, Rithvi, on behalf of the Jain International School, Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar, welcome Honorable Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, esteemed parents, teachers and my dear friends to this celebration of patriotism, unity and pride. Now may I request our respected Vice Principal Ma'am to felicitate Honorable Principal Ma'am with a token of respect and gratitude.
Good morning to all the students, the Vice Principal, all the coordinators, the subject experts and my dear esteemed parents, my academic and non-academic staff. On the auspicious occasion of 79th Independence Day, it really gives me goosebumps to recall and recollect the umpteen sacrifices of our great leaders, patriots, freedom fighters. Because of them, we are having our share of freedom. Nobody can understand freedom or liberty better than us. Time and again, I have always given this message through my speeches that ask those people, those who are captive, unless you understand the meaning of captivity, you will not understand the meaning of freedom. So 5 years back, we were all captive. 2020, 2021, we were all captive. Captive within our own boundaries, within our own confines of our houses. That was merely one small virus which was not even seen through the naked eye, but through the microscope. But that virus could create the havoc, could create deaths. And that captivity made us helpless. Now go back into the times when the first revolt of independence struck in 1857. And it started with Mangal Pandey, Jhansi ki Rani Lakshmibai, Tatya Tope. There have been so many such, Veer Savarkar ji. And then later on, the brigade was joined by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Lala Lajpat Rai. These all, Sarojini Naidu, these all people have actually sacrificed years and years of their lives to give us the freedom what we are enjoying today. So what is our role is to treasure, is to preserve this freedom which we have got after the sacrifice of so many lives. They fought for us so that their next generation would live an independent, respectful, dignified life. That is what we are part of. And in the same manner, as the head, as the individual, I would say the citizen of India, what I would like to give to the next generation is the same message that treasure this freedom, preserve this freedom, because there have been thousands and thousands of lives of men who have been sacrificed, and because of that we are enjoying this freedom. So my message to you is that treasure it, preserve it, and also value it. Because what we get so easily, we forget to value. Anything which comes for free, we do not have value for that. Agree or disagree? Got it? So freedom we got for free because we are not the ones, those who struggle at the LOC. We are not the ones who are fighting. Isn't it? The theme of the poster on is going on. Still the rescue operation is going on because there are so many people living on the borders. Still our soldiers, they are combating the enemies. So what they are doing their part because they are trained. Their life is being completely devoted and dedicated to the nation. They have on purpose, they have chosen this path where they know either they would come alive or their dead body will come wrapped in a tricolor. That is what they have taken the oath. But they are them. But what are we? We are the civilians. We are being protected by the soldiers at the border. So our duty is to just contribute towards this freedom in very small little ways. At least we can be a good, responsible, dignified, respectful human beings. I end up my address. Once again, a very happy 79th Independence Day to all of you. Jai Hind, Jai Maharashtra.
Constant guidance and motivation. To begin our celebration with words that inspire, I now invite Pranjal of grade 9 to share a speech on this special day.
Good morning everyone. Respected Principal Ma'am, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you a very happy Independence Day. I feel great pride to present this speech in front of you all. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947, we got independence from British rule. Our great freedom fighters like Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Rani Lakshmibai, Lokmanya Tilak, and many devoted their entire lives for the independence of our country. Today, we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. Our freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers fight continuously on borders to protect our country. We all know that no nation is perfect, it needs to be perfect. So, it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duties and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Pranjal, for those heartfelt words that remind us of the true meaning of freedom. India's freedom story is not just written in books, it's told in songs, dances, and emotions. To celebrate this spirit, let us begin with our first performance, a patriotic dance performance presented by the students of TJIS.
Behind the glory and pride we feel today as Indians, there is a heroic history of fierce rebellions, fights, and fearless revolutions carried out by thousands of selfless patriotic Indian freedom fighters to free India from the British rule. Till today, they inspire millions to fight and preserve our precious freedom and uphold our dignity as proud Indians.
respected Vice Principal Ma'am, dear parents, teachers, and my dear friends. On behalf of the Jain International School, I, Nirmiti Kare, the head girl of the school, extend my heartfelt thanks to our Honorable Principal Ma'am for the constant guidance and encouragement which made today's celebration possible. A warm appreciation to the respected Vice Principal Ma'am for guiding us throughout. My heartfelt thanks to our talented students for their wonderful performances. Thank you to the music department, dance department and sports department for ensuring the smooth flow of the program. I convey my gratitude to all our teachers for their dedication and support behind the scenes. Most importantly, thank you to our wonderful audience for the energy and enthusiasm which made the celebration truly special. Jai Hind.